Effortless contact management, keeping you connected and organized with SMSlocal. Log in to get started, or sign up quickly if you don't have an account. Once inside, your dashboard awaits. Top up your account easily with a credit card or PayPal, and your wallet will be credited instantly. Learn how to manage your contacts easily, whether you're searching for someone or organizing them into groups. Click on a contact's name to view details like phone number, country, and operator, ensuring your message suits your audience. SMSlocal offers default groups like family and work team, plus the option to create custom ones like new leads. Easily organize contacts with just one click. Import contacts lets you transfer all your numbers quickly and easily, keeping you organized and always connected. Click a contact's name to view details like phone number, country, and operator, ensuring your message fits your audience. When you're setting up your campaign, selecting the right contacts is a breeze. Simply choose a group or search for specific individuals, and we'll automatically add them to your recipient list. No more manual entry, just a few clicks and you're ready to go. Manage contacts effortlessly with SMSlocal. Log in, top up, and take control today.